Hey guys! Thanks for coming to check out another wig review. This one is from MyShinyWigs. So thank you so much, MyShinyWigs, for sponsoring this video. So these are all the things you get in the package. And then this is what the wig looks like. It is a headband wig. And this one is kind of like a 90s throwback type of ombre bob. I absolutely love it. Super cute and super easy to style. If you like the wig that I was wearing in the beginning of the video, definitely click the link above to check out that review. But make sure you finish watching this one first. So when I put my headband wigs on, I always fold under the headband, usually halfway or maybe a little bit more. I go ahead and adjust the wig. I use the comb in the back, but typically I don't use the comb in the top. I just use the Velcro in the back. Then I went ahead and tried out one of the headbands. This was my favorite headband. It was really, really pretty. It's giving me like tropical vibes. I absolutely love it. I made sure my baby hairs were already laid down using my GLEEmade edge control. Now I'm going to use my GLEEmade silk serum to go ahead and flat iron the hair. The silk serum just gives it a really nice shine and silks out the hair so that it's just really smooth and flat ironed perfectly. The flat irons I'm going to use are my Babyless in 1 inch. If you guys are interested in these GLEEmade hair products, they are available on my site, which is GLEEmade.com. And yeah, you can definitely grab those and support the brand. So I went ahead and grabbed my GLEEmade hair polish just to give it a little extra gloss and shine. And this style was done. I hope you guys like the video. If you're interested in checking out this wig, look in the description box down below. I'll have direct links so you can check it out. And I'm also going to try to get a coupon code for you guys. But yeah, this is the end result. I absolutely love this wig. I'm going to show you guys the other 2 headbands that came in the package. But yeah, I get so many compliments on this unit, you guys. It's definitely giving like 90s throwback vibes. I could see it with like maybe a little ponytail at the top or all pulled up to the top. Like, it's definitely a versatile look and it's an easy throw on and go. Headband wigs are definitely here to stay, you guys. They're nothing new, but they are still bomb. So if you don't have one, this one might be a great one to add to your arsenal. Alright, you guys, this is the last headband, the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have more content coming. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.